Hey, Chris with Cycle Source Magazine in the Grease and Gears garage today to do a product spotlight on the Drag Specialties premium adjustable shocks. We got these shocks in particular in black. This is going to go on our shovel head project for Twisted Tea. Here's what's nice about this: black shocks, black bodies, black springs, 10.5, so this is low rider all day long. Adjustable spring rate, you can see here in the springs, looser here, tighter as it gets up to the top, so it's a progressive spring. The preload on the shock is adjustable here. You can see at the bottom the tool comes with the shocks for adjusting the preload. Center of eyelet to eyelet, 10.5 inches, so you know that's going to give you your super low ride. You can check them out at DennisKirk.com or your local Drag Specialties dealer. Tell them the guys from Grease and Gears Garage sent you.
For more information on the products shown in this video, click on the link in the description box below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe.